this is just like this. And this is exactly this one.
What pro athletes do here, you can do everywhere.
Starting with the morning. In bed, start by activating your wrists. Then wake up your abs with a crunch. Or keep it on the safe side by rolling to the side and using your hand as support. That is if you partied hard last night.
Yeah!
On your way out, pull by keeping your back straight, engaging your abs, and if the door is so heavy, bend your knees slightly for extra support.
So you reach your destination. Good.
Take the stairs for a calf quickie. And remember to support your weight at your metatarsal heads to activate those calves.
So now when you want to sit down,
keep your proper posture. Back straight, shoulders to the back, and feet flat and well supported. You don't have to be stiff all the time though. Chill, and you can go pee if you want. But if you drop something, pick it up in a stretch. Back straight, knees locked, and if you can't reach so far, or if it's so heavy, well, do the squat. But damn, you wanted to pee. Anyway, in the evening, you do the groceries. There too, lift your bags in a squat. Stand shoulder width, keep your back straight, slightly push your hip back, and slowly bend down, allowing your knees to travel over your toes until the crease of your hip is parallel with your feet. Then stand back up with your hips and chest rising at the same speed. You got it. At home, lift the bags in a biceps move. Back straight, engage those abs, and flex those biceps. Yeah. Now after all this, nope, stretch a bit, just like an athlete at the end of a workout. And if you want to be better than an athlete, meditate before you sleep, because the last thought today can shape your tomorrow.